This video from Casio Help. We're taking a quick look at tax rate programming on the TE-2000 and TE-100 registers. So this video presumes you've seen our first video in the tax rate programming playlist, which was how to set the rates up. So if you remember, we've set tax rate 1 to be 20% add in and tax rate 2 to be 5% add in. We now need to apply those to our different sales departments. So if you're not already in the PGM mode, you need to turn the key around to PGM. I'm in PGM already because I'm following on exactly from my tax rate programming. If you've got a copy of the manual, then I'm getting this information from page 26, and we're basically going to assign tax rates to the different sales departments. So tax rate program is really important. You may have most of your products having tax at 20%, and you may have some that have got it at a reduced rate, and then you may have some products which are non-taxable. So I'll go through how you set all that up. So when you're in PGM mode, it's 1 subtotal to get you to the 1 subtotal settings, and then there's buttons on the till that represent the different tax rates. So if you look at the flow chart, the RC button is for tax rate 1. So I'm going to press that, and then you now press all the department buttons that you want to have tax rate 1 applied, which on my machine will be 20%. So most of my departments are going to be VATable at T1, so you can see the receipt saying T1. Once you've pressed all the departments, you can then either press subtotal to save the setting, or you can press the next tax table button. So for tax table 2, it's the PD button. So you press PD, and then these now are your departments that are going to be at tax rate 2. So let's say 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So they're all on my machine at 5%. And I haven't got a third tax rate, but I guess that's 0 by default. So I'm going to press the CHK button and then apply that to my final department. And then, so there's all my tax table programmings. Then when you're ready to finish, you must remember to press subtotal. You can see on the printout, I'll put it a bit closer to the camera, there's a list of all your departments that you've set tax rates to. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. I'll have one final video on the tax programming on the TE range, which will demonstrate how to get the tax split to appear on your till receipts. You're welcome to watch that. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.